Teach you some kitchen tips that most moms don't know. Sprinkle salt and baking soda on the burnt pot bottom. Cover with a few paper towels. Spray some white vinegar on the surface. Wipe with a paper towel. The pot bottom is as clean as new. Place a bamboo skewer on a bowl. Cover with a lid. Pour water easily without leaking. When eating cake, turn the clip upside down. The cake cut out will be neat and beautiful. Dip the batter with a spoon. Fry in oil for a while. You will have a small bowl that is both delicious and can hold food. If the juicer is not used for a long time, the blade rusts and becomes dull. Put eggshells in. Pour out after stirring. The blade becomes sharp again. Place a plastic bag on a grater. Then use it to grate garlic. The garlic is really finely grated. Pour water and dish soap into the dirty juicer. Cover with a lid. Pour out after stirring. The juicer is as clean as new. Never soak frozen meat directly in hot water. Add 99 grains of salt, 20 milliliters of white vinegar. Pour in warm water. Soak for 3 minutes. Thawed meat this way tastes better than newly bought. If the rice turns into porridge, place a slice of bread on top. Heat for another 2 minutes. The moisture will be absorbed by the bread. Follow me. Learn more life hacks. Washing machine repair tips that repairmen won't tell you. 1. What to do when the front-load washing machine door won't open. Here's a trick. First, use a coin to open the lower right compartment door. Then drain the emergency water. Pull the emergency release handle to open the door. 2. Don't panic if the washing machine leaks. First, unplug the power. Open the back cover and follow the hose to find the drain valve. Turn it to the left and pull it out. Clean out any dirt inside. Then put it back and turn it to the right. Now it's fixed. 3. Clothes aren't getting clean in the washing machine. Pull out the detergent drawer. Press down here. Lift it out completely. The inside is too dirty, causing the issue. Clean it thoroughly with a brush and it will work fine. 4. How to drain a washing machine. Open the small door on the lower right side. Pull out the drain hose. Remove the clamp. Pull out the drain plug. Drain the dirty water. Then put the plug back. Reattach the clamp. Place the hose back in position. Close the small door, and you're done. 5. The washing machine keeps filling with water but won't wash. Open the back cover. Find the air hose for the water level sensor. Disconnect it. Use a soft wire to unclog the hose. Reconnect the hose. Now it's fixed. 6. If clothes aren't washing properly, replace this belt. If it hums but doesn't spin, replace this capacitor. If it won't drain, replace this actuator. If it makes a clicking sound, replace this clutch. 7. The washing machine washes but won't spin dry? Don't rush to get it. It took me 300 years to learn these smart tips. 1. When your baby is too young to drink this kind of oral liquid, once opened, it's hard to store the remaining half. Insert 2 straws, one long and one short, into the bottle. Pour as much as you need. It's also easy to store. 2. When packing liquid foods, do you usually tie the bag like this? This creates big holes on both sides, making it easy to spill. Here's a better method. First, tie one side, then loop around and tie the other side. This way the package is sturdy and leak-proof. It won't spill at all. 3. Make a DIY light bulb changer. Take a plastic bottle and cut it in half. Attach a rod to the bottle neck. Secure it with screws. This makes changing light bulbs super easy. 4. What to do when a nail head breaks and can't be pulled out. Grab a pair of pliers and grip the nail. Use a hammer to pry the pliers upward. The nail will come out easily. 5. You're putting the garbage bag on wrong. The top ring gets dirty easily. If you do it my way, the garbage bag won't dirty the ring. Follow me to learn more life tips.